Hello everyone, it's Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. Hope you're enjoying our amazing birthday celebration for the amazing wombat on the Fluid Art Express. I hope you just watched ShanB from ShanB Fluid Art. How amazing is she? And after to me today, we are going to have the amazing Angie Mason. Like, I'm really stoked. I love Angie. And today we've got the whole family on. So Nathan from the Fine Art Distractions on. We go, yo! How cool is he? So, and we also have the amazing Laurie Houston. I'm really rapt about Laurie joining us on the Fluid Art Express because I absolutely love her work. But today, it is all about the wombat and his amazing birthday. Really, it's a festival. You should all feel very sorry for me right now because, yeah, it lasts for a week. It's just like, wow. So today, I thought what I'm going to do for the wombat, I'm going to go back to where it all started when he first started to teach me how to paint. So I've got a tile. I'm going back to a tile and I'm going to get the neons out and hopefully I can make him proud and, well, you know, do a bloom sort of like him with the neons. So this one's for you, my love. Absolutely adore you and all the time and effort you put into helping people and everything you've done for the art community doesn't go unnoticed, and I'm sure a lot of people appreciate it. So today, this one's for the wombat. So we're going to take my head off camera and I'm going to do a big neon bloom. I'll be back. Alrighty, and here we are. So what we're going to go, I've got this really cool, I think it's really cool. We've got black British paints, I've got white British paints, I've got blue British paints, pillow paint that Wombat made me himself. So I thought that had to go down today because he made it for the bubbles. And what we're going to go in first with is, I'm still tossing up whether I should do a single or a double. You know what? We're going to double. So first we're going in with one of his favourites, Proton Purple. I'm sure everyone's seen the wombat use this over and over again. And this one actually makes me nervous because if anyone's seen Darren use neons, it really is a wow fest. So pressure's on a little bit today because this one's for his birthday and it really does need to look good. So, first colour down, Proton Purple by the amazing Eye Candy. So I think what we might do next, I've actually got a bit of tube paint because another trick, like many people I'm sure have learnt so many tips and tricks from Des. So I'm actually going to put a yellow tube paint down first. Now, only because I was complaining that a few weeks ago I used the satin yellow from Eye Candy when I was doing a swipe, and I'd put it down with my favourite Firebird Red and Arc Orange, and when I actually put the satin yellow down I got green when it mixed with the CA. So as Daz said, maybe if I had used a yellow tube paint, I might not have had that much of a reaction. So I'm going to try that out today. Because I've got nothing against green, but when I was using the vibrant red and oranges, I just didn't want green that day. So I'm going to see if it works for me today. So now we've got our satin yellow down. And I'm not usually one for using neon, so this one's got me completely out of the box today. But I do love the reds and oranges. They're really cool. So I think what we're going to go with now is I've got Arc Orange. Very rare you see Bubbles using all these colours, isn't it? But things we do for love, I tell you. And today is not about me. So we're going to go down with that Arc Orange. Really a beautiful colour, this. Put it with, if you do a really cool swipe, put it down with Firebird Red, Blaze Orange, and Senshi Red. Oh, it's really beautiful. Really does amazing things. All right, now I'm going to use a little bit of Southern Ocean Blue, only because I'm going to use stage 1 because it is quite bright, and it's one of the colours that is mine and Darren's favourite that we actually do have in common. So I thought it was only fitting that I bring that one out today. So we'll put that one down. I think that'll be enough. And this isn't the part I'm worried about. It's blowing out the bloom, because if you're trying to make the King of Blooms proud, really does make you a bit nervous, especially in this garage. Try going up against him every week. Definitely keeps me on my toes. Alright, now, anyone knows my boy. It is not a neon party without Magma Magenta. And that is probably the Wombat's favourite. So, I think we need a good bunch of that one, because that will definitely make the man smile. And at least if I bugger it up, it's got Magma Magenta in it, it's going to make it look pretty anyway. I hope. Definitely hope. Now, I think for this size tile, we've got quite a bit of colour going on there. So that is going to do us. And I'm going to clean this stick up, put it away, and let's bloom. So my CA today is 4-1, lamp black. Look at me go. Going with a technical for the birthday. Don't expect it again, Des. Next week I'm just painting. I think one more dollop there. That'll do it. Alrighty, is George ready to roll? Oh yeah, he says yes. Let's go. First bloom, people. Let that sit for a minute. I've got to feel him. Oh, no one let Wombat see that bit. Nearly got the pillow. I won't tell if you guys don't. We can embellish that, it's okay. All right, number 2. There we go. Oh no. Let's see. I'm going to let that sit for a minute. Must be the child in me, because when George starts doing this noise, I think it's really cool. Alright, so what we're going to do now, grab our skewer out. We'll give our bouquet of flowers here for Wombat. Bit of a ribbon. Now, Love that black and white effect. I think that's really cool. Having a play with that earlier for some other ideas coming up, and I think that looks really cool. Just going to roll with it. Tell you what though, in the early days when Darren was first teaching me, it was hilarious the amount of small coasters I went through. I still remember him coming in to check some going, geez, you did amazing on that, and you knew it was crap. But just the encouragement, and he'd show you in a different way so you'd just get it. But the patience, the man was a saint. Especially blooms. Everyone knows just how much, when you're first trying out your blooms, they really can test the patience. Really can. Now, I think we need lots of shoelaces in this one. I think that just needs a little squiggly woo. Alright, I think what we might do, give them bubbles a torch. And, you know what? This got left out of a shoelace. How rude. There we go. Okay. Now we're happy. Let's see how it spins. Oh, I almost got the centre too. It's going to be very proud of me this week. Oh, that is just exploding with colour. Pretty proud of that for a Wombat Neon birthday special. Yay! Go Bubbles! Working the neons. That's really super cool. I'm just going to pop him up for a minute, because I think that just needs a little, not a lot, just a little fine tuning there. Just like that. Yeah, just looked a little bold for having that ribbon effect, I thought. Either that or I'm just a fussy little cow. Alright. I think we might check for those last minute pesky bubbles. And I think that one's going to be me this week for the Wombat's birthday. That is the Neon Double Bloom. So, happy birthday, my love. Hope you had an amazing day. And next up after me today, we will have the amazing Angie Mason. Such a beautiful woman, amazing artist. I couldn't admire her anymore. So I hope you all follow us over to the chat, because this birthday celebration for Darren is going to continue. And I think my close-up reel should be just about done by now. So I hope you enjoyed that today, even though it was something right out of the box for Bubbles, but I can really see why Darren loves the neons. Don't they pop? So until next time, guys, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching.